My name is Nicoletti. I'm an attorney in Jacksonville, Florida. Today, I want to cover the topic of probate and when you need all beneficiaries on the contract. So, you may come across the motivated seller, the motivated heir that wants to sell mom or dad's property because mom or dad died, they own the real estate, and now it needs to be transferred over. One of the things you want to be aware of is, was it the homestead or was it not the homestead of the deceased? And we're not worrying about the taxes because the definition of probate homestead or homestead in probate is, was it the primary residence of that person? Was it where they lived, resided, occupied, and intended to make their primary residence? And if it is, you're going to need all of the heirs, depending on the line where it's going down, but you're going to need all of the beneficiaries' heirs on that contract because you cannot move forward, especially on the title insurance end, unless you get all of them on board. Because at the closing, the underwriter is going to require a deed signed by all of the heirs. So the same holds true with the contract. You're going to need all of the heirs on that contract if that property was homestead.